baby. That shit sound nice.
See how hard that bump hit, man?
Yeah. Hey, we're gonna have a lot of motherfuckers looking as soon as we get out Stony.
Yeah.
Stony gonna be big bumper blame. Oh, what's that? You know what I mean?
Oh, hell yeah.
That exhaust. That motherfucking exhaust like that, yeah.
Woo.
Damn! Yeah, we're going to lift this motherfucker up for sure. Damn. I don't know why. See, everywhere else in the state of Illinois and they got down the streets and shit is nice and smooth, but you get in the city, this shit be all fucked up and shit. They need to invest more into the infrastructure because this shit fucked up. And they take their time doing this shit too.
Man.
God damn.
Shit, man.
We're going to have to check that damn bumper.
Woo.
Definitely going to have to check that. So when we get on 95th, you want to do that?
What?
Check the bumper?
Man. Fucking hell, yeah. Made for Chicago at all.
Hell nah.
Streets fucked up, man.
Damn.
Oh my God, man.
See the Indiana roads and shit. They shit so damn smooth and shit. That's why he got his shit there, you know. That's why the car sits so low because they roads and shit smooth out there. That shit fucked up.